Would you ride around in a car with no exhaust system? Of course not. Fumes from the engine would enter the car, right? So why would you swim in an indoor pool without an effective exhaust system? Oh, you didn't know that the air hanging around a typical indoor pool is toxic? Well, check this out. Pools are kept clean by introducing chlorine into the water. The chlorine attacks organics in the water, stuff like body oils, hair, dirt, and other things we probably shouldn't mention here. Chlorine wages a war against organics and wins. Yay, chlorine. But this war is not fought without a price. That pool smell isn't the chlorine itself. It's the chemical byproducts of chlorine doing its job. Remember when your mom warned against mixing bleach and ammonia? Well, in this equation, the chlorine is the bleach and the organics are the ammonia. According to the World Health Organization, here's just some of the dangerous byproducts that off-gas from the swimming pool. Gases such as trichloramine, chloroform, cyanogen chloride, and trichloronitromethane. Seriously nasty stuff. Pause the video and Google it. We'll wait. Yeah, we know, bad news. What's worse, cyanogen chloride, when mixed with water vapor, becomes hydrogen cyanide. So, chloramines are nasty. They're heavier than oxygen, and they build up over time. Gone unchecked, they create a hazardous cloud of toxins that hovers over the water. Anyone in the water is breathing this chemical cloud instead of clean, fresh air. Look, you're using basic chemistry to clean the water in the pool. And basic chemistry is contaminating the air around the pool. You're treating the water. Shouldn't you treat the air around it? This is real, and the way we see it, you have two choices. Ignore the problem or address it. If you choose the latter, there is a solution. That's where we come in. Paddock Evacuators. Give us a call today at 803-366-3822 or visit us online